Alright, so I unfortunately couldn't fit that one last problem into part 1 of this video. So let's just go ahead and look at number 29 on the chem practice test. The volume of a small piece of gold, which has a density of 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter, is 24.8 cubic centimeters. What is the volume of a piece of silver? So we'll call this volume gold. We want to know volume silver, and this is density gold. If the density is 10.5 grams per cubic centimeter, we want it to have the same mass as the gold. So we want these two masses to be equal. Let's find out what mass of gold we have. That's going to be found by taking density times volume. So we're going to take 19.3 grams per centimeters cubed times 24.8 centimeters cubed. Bottom and top cancel out. 19.3 times 24.8 should give me 479, and that is in grams. So now I want to find out, I have the mass of the gold, which is also the mass of my silver. So now I want to find out what the volume is. So I'm going to go ahead and take the same equation, 479 is the mass of my silver times the density of silver, which is 10.5. I'm sorry, equals the density of silver. And then I'm going to multiply that by, again, the volume. So that requires me to divide 479 grams by 10.5 grams per cubic centimeter. Grams cancel out. I have 1 over cubic centimeters on the bottom of my fraction. That means cubic centimeters comes on top. And I have a final answer of 45.6 3 sig figs grams. I'm sorry, that should be cubic centimeters. And there is one last question on the practice test, an additional essay response, basically asking why we can't prove things absolutely correct. Well, we haven't tested every single scenario and every single phenomenon and every single event out there. There's always something that could question what we come up with. So as long as you explain that that's the reason why we can't prove anything correct, you would get credit for that question.